Hey guys, kindly have a look at this amazing TikTok account that tracks up over 1 million followers and over 30 million likes, just by only providing music tracks in brilliant and stunning short videos as you see. And obviously, this account attracts thousands or even millions of views for every single video. It could provide different music tracks or a specific genre. It could be jazz, classic, country, blues, pop, hip hop, and the like. And for sure, this account makes a lot of money in different ways. So in today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can create these such beautiful music tracks and these brilliant short videos using AI just with a click of a button and completely for free, and how to make money online with this account in different ways. So stick with me step by step. And first of all, just head over to this amazing website that is revet.ai. It's awesome AI website that enables you to convert your content or any idea to beautiful short videos in different ways. For example, here, if you head over to this free AI video tools, here you can find tons of these AI tools to convert your piece of content or your idea or your URL to different types of your videos. For example, you can create your cartoon video, you can convert your Reddit post to video, YouTube to short videos, even music to video, audio to make your own AI movie trailer maker, cinematic videos, quiz video, review video, LinkedIn post to video, and so on and so forth. And you can find a plethora of these different tools. And for sure, you can try it out completely for free. So cut it short. Just we can sign up here in this amazing website for free using this button, sign in, and here you can register simply and normally, even using temporary emails. Then, and here after sign up, just pass all these surveys, like here you can something like AI, okay, and save it. Okay, videos for tech, for example, and save. Awesome. In this dashboard, you can select any of these types to create your own video just by search viral videos, generate scripts, create your video, and so on. So I just click over this button, this option, create a video. Then you can find a set of these options, a sample of the previous tool, AI tools, like can convert anything to video, either caption, YouTube long short to short videos, video podcast, website reviews, video quiz, and so forth. So in our case today, I just want to make it to convert your music to a beautiful video. And here you can try this option, that is instrumental music visualizer here. And when you select this option, here you can find in this preview, your video would be like this one. Here you can transform your music track into beautiful, engaging video as you see, with AI images, animated images, video clips using the AI, and so forth. Here you can drop here your own music track from your device. For sure, you can get your music track from different sources. For example, here you can head over to AI music generators like refusion.com. Here you can create your account and generate different music tracks for different genres completely for free. As you see, like this one, for example, and so on and so forth. Or actually, you can head over to some royalty-free platforms. In the first place, for sure, pixpay.com. Here you can find huge library of these music tracks with no copyright or for commercial use. Here you can search for something like techno or country or blues or jazz, and here you can find thousands of these tracks. For example, this one. Okay. Or actually, you can head over to YouTube, the home of different types of content. And for sure, you can look for something like techno music copyright free. Then you can head over to filters, and just you can select this one that is Creative Commons. Okay, perfectly. So here you can find different ways or different sources to get your own music track, to convert it later to a video. So in our try today, just we can go back to our tool And here we can just drop here or upload our music track like this one. After completing this uploading process, heads up, here in your free plan in Revet.ai, it gives you 70 AI credits to convert your piece of content to short videos. So here, if you wanna just use this amazing tool, here you upload your own music track, and just have your eye on this one, estimated cost of your short video. So if these credits exceed your own credits, it will not grant you to create your short video and requires you to upgrade your account. So please just make your own videos in any tool just under these credits. So here we are safe to go, and now click over this button, generate your own video. And just in few seconds here, so here we can actually go for TikTok, for example, and for creating music videos. Perfect, and get started. And just in few seconds here, your video would be ready, and your video would be like this one. So I just open it and listen this magic. Amazing short video to make your audience more engaging with this music track and give it chills, and like and comment on your music track. So here you can actually make your own video and convert your music track to a beautiful visualizer short video. And then it's time now to get this video to your device. And for sure, if you just click over this button here, you can find a just little watermark here in this short video. So instead, just you can actually make a screen recorder, even using OBS Studio or Rickmaster or the clipchamp.com. It enables you to use its amazing screen recorder of this whole screen, and then you can crop your short video using any editing software, even Clipchamp, Canva, DaVinci Resolve, or CapCut, and the like. So here you can get your short videos like that for every single music you wanna in any genre. And now how we can make money online using these accounts or these short videos. For example, if we head back to our example here, like this one, this account just direct people to his account on Spotify.com, where he actually makes a lot of money from the ads, sponsorship, and so on. Or even better, you can actually utilize this account of this huge base of audience just by providing them something they love. For example, you can make the benefit of this traffic to promote anything you want, like for example the merch. You can use any print-on-demand platform like Redbubble, Zazzle, Spreadshirt, Amazon, Etsy, and so on to sell your own merch for your own theme and your type. And for sure, if you want to make these designs completely for free and simply using the AI power, for example, you can head over to ChatGPT and ask for getting different ideas or quotes or for specific genre as you like, as you see. And here you can get these quotes and short text, and then head over to one of the AI image generators like Ideogram, Peclium, and so on to create these such beautiful t-shirt designs as you observe that contains these quotes or these graphics and so on, and completely for free, like the feel the beat, live the rhythm. Then you can upload these designs for on your own store, on, as I said earlier, in Redbubble, Zazzle, and so on, and promote your designs and your store to get many sales. And for sure, you can find in this channel different videos talking about Redbubble and how you can make online from print on demand in general. And the next way here to make online from this account, for sure, you can provide different relevant gadgets and tools. Like for example, here, if you head over to Amazon.com, here you can actually provide your customers and your audience something to listen clearly and in high quality and pure tracks, just by providing them this one like noise cancelling headphones and earbuds and so on and so forth. So you can actually promote different things that are relevant to your content and your short videos. And Just stick all these products in the link in the bio. And for sure you can find down below in the description box in the first comment a big list of the best link in bio builders like Linktree, Beacons.ai, and so on. And for sure the third way here can make the best of the platform you are publishing your videos in. Speaking about TikTok, here you can actually grab millions of views and make money online for every single 1,000 views all over the world by joining its program. And likewise here on YouTube, if you stick with the guidelines on YouTube and avoid any different copyrighted music. But here on TikTok, for sure you can actually reuse any copyrighted musics or from brands for celebrities and from popular bands and so on to create these such beautiful short videos to attract millions of views and huge audience base to make money online and monetize your own account. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.